So this tutorial is to help you to animate this flower set character running. And I start from the drawing this character's running cycle in Photoshop because it takes less time to figure things out, figure poses out. And I like to study a little bit of the character first. And of course I tested the character's rig before I do this so that I know what characters can do and what the focus is. So obviously this character has this is a flower sac, like a sac that has flower inside, which could be moving, inside of the character depending on where the force is, where the weight is. I try to draw the key poses first. Key poses are extreme like poses. Some people say it is storytelling poses. Some animators say it's a storytelling poses. Without it, you wouldn't really be able to see any stories in that character's movements and so forth. So I try to set up I try to draw the main key poses first in a really simple manner. So here it's a relaxed pose in the beginning pose, and then the first key pose, and then the anticipation here to jump in the air, to run. And you can see I drew it to be able to see which part is left side and which part is right side. This is left side, and so anticipation and jump to the air, like so. It starts running, and this is left leg, and then it lands. But then when I draw, like it looks like both feet on the ground, but when I actually animate it, I'm thinking maybe the right foot is not really still, maybe slightly in the air, and it's landing with its left foot, and then again, so it's pushes with the left foot that's just landed, and it's in the air, and the kick with the right foot, and then lands again, and now you can see like right foot is on the ground and the left foot is still kind of in the air, and then push it with the right foot, and then so if I play back, it's gonna look like this. I don't think it is too bad. I could fix some of the poses and I can add to it. And if you like, let's say I drew this, like let's say I want to see maybe a kind of like a passing pose here. So before it jumps to the air, like I want to see kind of passing pose in between, then I could add this pose, right? And then I can also experiment with the this 24 frames per second, and I can experiment with the length of it, right? So if I want to see this passing pose a little bit longer, I can do that, and then see. But maybe I like it when it was just a one frame, and then I can also add, right, before it lands. I mean, when it lands, I want to see also there's I like to have some passing pose there. Then I can add to it. It's really simple drawing. So you can see, and so maybe for now I don't need that. And if I want it, I can experiment with the length, duration of each pose. I want to make this in the this pose in the air one frame longer, so it lasts 3 frames there. I mean, of course, this wouldn't exactly apply to maybe to 3D, because 3D it automatically generates in betweens, but you can kind of see though. Still, you can experiment with the frames, and then we can translate these poses to 3D character, right? So this is the first part, and we're gonna move into animating this character based on this in Maya. Yeah.